In Parashas Mishpatim we learn Midvar Sheker Tirchak, stay away from lying. And in Maseches Eduyos, the Mishnah says in Perek Mishnah Zayin, a strange statement. We learn there that Eliyahu Hanavi speedily in our days will come, and what is he going to do when he comes here? Eliyahu Hanavi will be Mekarev the Rechoikin and Merachek the Keroivin. He will cause those who are close to go far, and those who are far, he will draw them close. What does that mean? Seder B'Yisachar Miradoms, the Chesed Avram. The letters of the word emes, truth, are very far from each other. The letters are Aleph, Mem, and Saf. Aleph is very far from Mem. Then you have to go all the way to the end of the Hebrew alphabet to meet the letter Taf. So, emes, truth, is comprised from letters which are very far from each other. The distance is very big. However, the word sheker, to lie, is made out of Shin, Kuf, and Resh, and those letters are right after each other. So in the future, soon, in our days, in Mitzvah Hashem, what is Eliyahu going to do? He is going to take the letters of emes, those which are far, and he's going to bring them close. He is going to take the letters of sheker, shin, kuf, reish, which are very close now, and he's going to remove them. He's going to remove sheker from the world. Today, many times people choose the path of sheker because it's a little easier. You see the reward immediately, the physical reward. Not too many people are engaged in emes, in truth, at all times, and walk in its path, because sometimes you don't see the reward. Who wants to toil and work hard when you can cut some corners and use sheker, use lying? But in the future, Eliyahu Hanavi is going to remove the letters of sheker from each other. It's not going to have any more power. Nobody is going to use sheker anymore. And similarly, he said, Reb Mendel Mikotz, the Kotzker Rebbe, he explained based on a pasuk in Tehillim, and Perek Pei, hey, where the pasuk says, "Emes me'eretz titzmach," the truth will sprout out from the earth. What does that mean? Says the Kotzker Rebbe, for something to grow, it must be planted first. First, you have to plant it deep in the earth. If you want truth to sprout out, the first thing you got to do is to take sheker and bury it, plant it deep in the ground, and only then will sheker be destroyed, and emes me'eretz titzmach, truth will sprout out from the earth.